If you're new to trading, connecting mt5 to your broker can feel confusing, especially when your broker login doesn't work directly in mt5. That's because mt5 requires special trading account credentials that your broker generates. And in this video, I will show you how to connect to mt5 to any broker. So first up, before opening mt5, go to your broker's website and log in. Look for something like Open Trading Account, Create Account, MetaTrader Accounts, and Client Area and Accounts. Then just choose mt5 as the platform, your account type, leverage, and base currency. And after that, your broker will now generate three important details: mt5 login number, server name, and password. These credentials are not the same as your broker's regular email and password. Then just go ahead to MetaTrader and download it for any platform that you use, or just use the web terminal on the web. Then in mt5, click File, then log into Trade Account. So as you can see, as shown in here, you just log into your trade account with your ID and your password. Then choose the server and press on Login. Then at the bottom right corner of mt5, you'll see different indicators, so that will ensure that you see if you're connected or not. If there's any gray or no data bars or anything in red or something, that means that something's wrong, and that's because you probably have entered the wrong credentials. But in general, there you go, guys. As you can see, your account should now be visible under Navigator, as shown in here. And if you want also other tutorials on placing trades or anything else, let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.